What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm doing an oil change. Kind of late, but right here just took off the cap and dipstick, and right now draining the oil right now. As you can see, yeah, this shit is dripping. May leave it overnight just to get everything out. Haven't changed it in a while, but might as well since I did the clutch and everything. And I used 11/16 wrench. I'm not really sure what the size is of the bolt, but right now while that's draining, I'm gonna try to loosen the O2 sensors, because when I was removing the exhaust, when I was doing the clutch, I forgot to unplug the O2 sensors, and the exhaust went down, and it pretty much snapped the wires, and it gave me a code P1166, I think. And I'm having a rough idle, and my car has like 200,000 miles, so what the hell, so I just bought both of them, the downstream and the upstream O2 sensors, but the downstream one, I'm having a hard time trying to take that off, so while the oil is draining, I'm gonna try to loosen it with 3D40 and just keep hitting it and trying to like loosen it, so by the time I get the sensors, I'll just slap them on and I won't be struggling trying to take them off. So since I ain't got nothing else better to do, so might as well do that. And I also I bled the brakes, all four, and I also bled the clutch master cylinder, which it's like down here, the little nipple. You have to remove the throttle body and get like a cord to like move it out the side. And from the bottom, you use like I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's right there down there. So what I did, I used what's it called? I used like pretty much an extension with the 8mm socket to loosen it. And yeah, and then I just had my brother inside the car bleeding the clutch while I was over here looking at this. And it's not that hard. So what I used, if you can open this, I bought this little bleeder off the store. I bought it at the store for like $10, and it works. So yeah, these are all my little tools, and this is what I use to pump oil back into the transmission. But yeah, bled the clutch, bled the master cylinder, the brakes, put a new clutch, now change the oil, and then once the O2 sensors come in, I'm gonna replace that. So I replaced a lot of things on this car already. After all that's done, I just gotta do an alignment, and I'm thinking about getting some different wheels. These are Honda Performance wheels, 16-inch, 205, 50 R16s. But yeah, it's only coming along. You want to know anything more about Ep3s or K20s or how to do like maintenance, just let me know and I'll give some advice in the comment sections. Let me know if you like this video, if it's boring, whatever it is. I'm not really like I don't really know how to do these type of videos. I just say what I've been doing. If you like it, let me know. Thanks.